Hey, YouTube. I'm singing this song that I know. It's been stuck in my head and I couldn't sing it at church, so I'm singing. Thanks to you, Lord, Lord, for you showed us the way. And you gave us encouragement, yes, from day to day. Thanks to you, Lord, Lord, for you saved our lives. That is why I'm so happy as this time goes by. Thank you, Jesus, for you showed us the way. Oh, yes, you did. I don't know what I would do if I didn't have you in my life, Jesus. I don't know where I would be. That's why I want to say thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus, for you've been so good to me. That is why I'm singing this song to you, Jesus. I will serve you always. When we say, Jesus, oh, there's power in your name. Yes, when we say Jesus, what a wonderful name. That's it. Clap, clap. For real, how was it? I liked it. Yeah.